remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley? You forget the sun in his jealous sky as we walk in fields of God. So she took her love for to gaze a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her head came down among the fields of God. Will you stay with me? Will you be my Lord upon the fields of barley? We forget the sun in his jealous sky as we lie in fields